In this video, I'm going to show you how to begin trading perpetuals on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom account, to begin trading perpetuals, you simply want to click on the Perpetuals tab up top over here. And as you can see, you can then select what you would like to trade. So this allows you to basically trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Hype, XRP, Cardano, etc. Okay, so you have pretty much a lot of coins that are very known, okay, and you can trade them all on here. However, there's a catch. You will often have only Solana on your wallet over here. So I have some Solana, as you can see. And if you want to actually buy something on Axiom Pro inside perpetuals, and if you want to begin trading perpetuals on Axiom, what you have to do is basically get USDC onto Axiom, and this is quite simple. So all you have to do, you can click add more funds over here, which will open up the convert tab. Now you can also find this when you click deposit and then click convert, and you can convert your Solana into USDC. So just click however much you would like. So let's do 0.001 for example. Like this, there we go, it says how much it is, and then you will be able to simply convert if it's a big enough basically quote. So I'm gonna just press this if I want to convert everything, for example, and as you can see, it's gonna start attempting to get quote. There we go, and then you have to confirm in 15 seconds to be able to convert Solana to USDC. So that's the first thing you have to do. And then in here, you can simply start trading. So you can see you can buy, for example, let's say, I don't know, for Bitcoin for $10 or whatever you would like to do. And you can, of course, change this over here. You can also use the take profit stop loss over here because they have this feature. And you can use the limit if you would like to do the limit orders. It's basically just like on any other exchange like Binance or Coinbase or whatever you may be using. You have the leverage over here, which you can, of course, use if you want to, but not if you don't, because you can put it to 1. And yeah, you can also short if you want to over here, or long, of course, both work. And it just works the way I just showed you over here. Basically, you can see the order book and the trades and the graph over here, which can be changed. You can set different indicators and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.